Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I'm just going to show the unboxing of my brand new Tamron 24 to 70mm f2.8 stop lens with control to stop vibrations as well. So it's a DI VC USD G2 and this is for the Nikon. So just opening up just to literally show you what's inside the box. So here we go. Happy days. Little protective tab on the side, just crack that open, pull back the covers, and first off we have a Tamron something or other, and it's in Japanese or Chinese, so I have no idea what it says, but it doesn't matter. I'm sure that's just to register and keep all your details of the lens, so I'll pop that down there. Next, just a piece of cardboard to cover the top. Then we've got our instruction manual, owner's manual, and we've got the manufacturing bits. So have a quick look in here anyway. So yeah, we've got a fold out manual. That's just like the other Tamron lenses. I've got a 70 to 200 as well. We've got that bit that'll tell you what all the different parts are of the camera. And yeah, another owner's manual, but that's just going to be in other languages apart from English. So happy days. Let's move these bits out of the way. And let's see the meat and potatoes inside. So we've got a cover for the lens. Pull that out. There we go. Bob's your uncle. Not too bad of a cover. I'll buy another one myself anyway because of the price of these bloody lenses. And taking out the lens itself, we've got something else there. That's the front of the camera. Stops sunlight going in. Oh, looks like it's almost cut their finger when they've been putting this lens away because there's a little bit of blood on there. Nice. All the way from Asia. So pulling out the other bits, just a few bits of cardboard protectors in there. Nothing to write home about. So pop those back in. There we go. One and two. That's the box itself. Got the cover. Got the diaphragm. I think it's called. Can't think off the top of my head. Doesn't matter. You all know what it means and what it is. And here we go, here's the actual lens inside. So yeah, it's all nicely covered. Got a protective cover protecting the lens hood. There we go, nice bit of glass in there. Nice few bits of glass. Got the Tamron. And then unwrapping it. How does this come off? Don't ever like forcing these sorts of things. I'm going to hear a crack. So yeah, it's just a protective bit on there as well. So yeah, that's what the actual lens looks like underneath. Got vibration control on there, automatic focus, manual focus. Got the different focal points. Oh, there we go, there's the actual lens coming out. Happy days. Up to 70, 50, 35 and 24. Of course we've got a lock on there, so let's say if we put it to 35 and put down the lock, I guess that locks it. It's not moving at the moment, so I don't intend to play around with it until I've read the instructions properly. So I'll tuck that back into the 24mm. So yeah, there you go, that's what you get inside. Designed in Japan, stolen by another nation close by. Yeah, it looks good. There we go, this is the attachment to put onto the camera body. Happy days. Beautiful. Wow. Really looking forward to trying this out soon. So yeah, just overall, you've got your sunlight blocker, forget the name off the top of my head, protective cover, the lens itself, protective bits, and your instruction manuals and the other little bits and bobs in there. So yeah, anyway, that's what you get when you purchase this lens. Happy days.